Trading Solana on your iPad just got a whole lot faster. First, head over to the App Store. In the search bar, type in Photon Solana Bot. Find the official Photon app, verified with the Solana logo. Tap Download to install it on your iPad. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll immediately see the option to connect your wallet. Tap Connect Wallet. Choose your preferred Solana wallet from the list provided. Make sure you have it installed on your iPad beforehand. Select the wallet you want to use and grant Photon the necessary permissions to connect. You're now connected. Now, you can select the token you want to buy or sell. Set your slippage and the amount you want to trade. Before executing the trade, double-check all the details displayed on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything is correct, especially the token address and the amount. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Photon will execute the trade, giving you lightning-fast access to Solana trading right from your iPad.